Hey everybody, we're unboxing a gift from my mother-in-law.
And my mama. Okay, so my mom is cute and she decided that she was going to send us a little gift for Valentine's Day. Wow. Wow. She decided that she's going to send us a little gift for Halloween because she knows how much I love it and how much Jonathan is forced to love it.
Candy.
And
I'm a child.
and so we thought we would open it for you guys now. So let's see. Let's open the box. Pull out the packing.
Oh, it's a boy.
Oh, he's an orange. Is it the orange one? Yeah. I'm sorry. I was like looking on the camera. It's candy. Turn around. Oh, it's hollow on the back. That's so cute. What candies do we have in here? We have, looks like Milky Way, Snickers. The camera's not even on it. We're focusing.
It's fine.
There's a bunch of different candies in here, like the good Primo candies. Thanks, Mom. We love a good candy moment. We're stocking up our candies for trunk or treat right now. So, but this will be ours because it's a gift from Mama. It's a gift from the Mama. Next. This is one of Jonathan's favorite candies. Look. Are they the chewy kind? Are they chewy? I think they are. You like those, baby? So I'm never gonna see those again.
Oh,
Next.
it's a Skella boy. Calm down.
It's so cute. I love sugar skulls. If you know me, that's one of my favorite things. It looks like there's another one here. Take this. They're two. And they look like the ones that you like plug into your wall. Yes? Is this one? Yeah. You plug them into your wall and you put little wax melts in there. Hey you guys, future editing Gabby popping in real quick. I just wanted to let you know that once I saw these, I loved them, but I was like a little bit concerned because I wasn't sure how it would work out with the dog and the cat. But when we opened the box, there was actually this cover that's kind of silicone that you put over it that kind of prevents like dogs or cats or children or whatever from getting into it. So I thought that was really cool, and I just wanted to let you guys know because I know that you know about my dog and cat, and I did not want to make it seem like there was going to be hot wax all over them or around them where they could get to it. So very cool. And right now we actually have this plugged up in our room underneath a table that's like open air underneath it, and it's really nice and it's really cool, and it also acts as like a nightlight. So back to the video. All right, there's one more box. We opened it. Let's see what's inside now.
More candy. Oh,
That is not candy. That looks like wax melts for the wax melter.
it's called Magic Spell
Oh, Halloween. Why is my camera not focusing?
for Halloween. Here, smell it, guys. Smell good.
Vision.
Smell good.
Smell of vision.
It smells really good.
Let me smell it. See if I can describe it.
I put a spell on
It
you.
smells very fruity, which I like the smell.
No,
Fruity
you're gone. Oh.
I can't stop the things I do. I like. Okay, I know this was a short little video, but it's the best way, in my opinion, to wind down this season because it's been a doozy making videos or content of some sort every single day this month. So we're looking forward to a break, a little bit of a break. And Mom, I know you're watching this because you're one of my biggie supporters, so thank you so much. I love everything, especially my little sugar skulls. They're so cute. And Jonathan's gonna steal all of the caramels as he calls them.
Thank you.
And thank you guys for watching this little special unboxing. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.